Welcome to EBCM. In this episode, we're going through how to program a replacement electronic brake control module, also known as the ABS module, in a Chevrolet Camaro Gen5. So first off, click the vehicle button and then go over to the EBCM tile. We'll then head over to the flashing tab, and once we have a battery charger fitted to the car, we'll go ahead and click on the right button. It will then begin downloading the required calibrations to suit this module in this vehicle and then begin the flashing sequence. Flashing does take a couple minutes if it needs to do an operating system update, which in this circumstance it does. So it's very important to have that battery charger fitted. If it only needs to update the calibration section, it's very quick. Once the flashing is done, we'll have our finalization flash routine and then finally a pop-up indicating it was successful. So we'll go ahead, we'll click OK, we'll head over to the Learn functions, we'll perform our next task, which is the VIN security link. So this is actually programming the vehicle's VIN as well as its security information to the module. That pop-up there is just indicating that this process does take over 11 minutes, so you must have the battery charger fitted and you must have the ignition set to on. So again, I fast forwarded through this so we're not waiting around for that entire time. Once this is completed, it will pop up indicating to cycle the ignition and turn the ignition off, open and close the driver's door and wait. So really important to do that process. Just a matter of performing that, pressing OK, clearing any faults, and then if you need to, you may need to do a steering angle sensor learn and a brake pressure learn, but you can check the DTCs to see if those are required. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.